Hey guys, Jack Gleason with StartupTrading.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the next profit target based on Fibonacci sequences for Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin going? Where should you sell it if you're holding it? And don't plan on holding it forever. I mean, I know some of you guys think you're going to hold it to your grave, and you know what? Bitcoin might be worth $1 million. I'm not here to tell you what Bitcoin is going to be worth in 10 years. I'm here to help you make profit targets and support levels based on mathematical calculations called Fibonacci retracements, which I teach at StartupTrading.com, both in my trade room and in my Masterclass course. Now, what is the next profit target? What you're looking at is a 3-year daily chart of, or 3-year weekly chart of Bitcoin. The highest time frame target that I have is 81,000. Now, that could take multiple years to complete. If you bought Bitcoin on this last dip, I have a profit target above based on a mathematical calculation called the Fibonacci sequence. That mathematical calculation gives us a profit target of 58,841. So for every one of you who's been hodling Bitcoin forever and has seen it go from 32,000 to 60,000, basically seeing your money double and then cut in half, one thing you need to understand about the markets is they always get cut in half. At some point in time, Warren Buffett's stock, Berkshire Hathaway, has been cut in half 3 times. The stock market has been cut in half as a whole at least 3 times. I don't even know. I haven't been around long enough to be honest. But it's been cut in half 3 times in my existence. So, I'm 32. Well, 32 in 20 days. But anyway, that's a whole nother issue. We have a profit target right at resistance. And what I love about Fibonacci sequences is when our sequences and our profit targets line up with previous resistance. You can see this 58,000. It's like 58, 59,000. It's a zone. Lines up with previous resistance. It's the level we failed from in March. We broke out above in April, failed back below, and then really rolled over in May. Then we came into this full 50% retracement on the higher time frame level, which is basically 0 to the all-time high of 65,000 divided by 2. That's where this support level came from. And that's where we rallied from. Now, we rallied from that level, our lows, I believe, are June. We had another 50% retracement. That profit target, 58,866. Okay, so I have set an alert, and I recommend you guys set an alert too. At this point in time, I do expect the Bitcoin market, excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold, the Bitcoin market to get up to that level and find its resistance. Whether or not we roll over, the way I would trade it is exit and look for another entry. Now, you don't go broke taking profits, but at the same time, you have to take profits and you have to hold winners. At this point, there's enough resistance to determine for me that if we get up to that 58,000, that I will be able to sell that and buy back lower. Because there's been so much resistance, I do not think we're absolutely going to just blast through that. So that's my Fibonacci target. This is the Fibonacci King at StartupTrading.com. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, share with your buddy who's a hodler, or just troll him, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take care.